Welcome to online lecture series. This is Dr. K. Ramesh, Professor of Mathematics, Lindi Institute of Engineering and Technology. My dear students, our subject is operations, research. Introduction, lecture 1A. What is operations research? What is operations research? The main origin of operation research was during the Second World War. At that time, the military management, a team of scientists to study the strategic and tactical problems of air and land defense of the country. Since they were having a very limited military resources, it is necessary to select the most efficient, optimal utilization of resources and efforts. War teams were not actually engaged in military operations and in fighting the war, but they were only good advisors and significantly instruments in winning the war. War provided a good intellectual support to the strategic initiatives of the military commands. Here, war associated with an art of winning but without actually fighting it. Various names of war are operations research, operations evaluation, operational analytics, systems analysis, systems research, systems evaluation, management science. War is a subject to the mechanical branch, electrical branch, civil branch, CSE, IT and MCA, MBA courses also. The first mathematical logic, the total cost is minimum, or the total profit is maximum, which is the simplex method of linear programming. Later on, new techniques and applications have been developed in academic institutions and industry. Today, the impact of war can be felt in many areas. A large number of management consultants are engaged in war activities. Apart from military and business applications, the war activities include transportation, assignment, hospitals, city planning, libraries, etc. Many of the Indian industries like Delhi Cloth Mills, Indian Airlines, Indian Railways, Tata Iron and Co, defense organizations, etc. making use of war activities. Definition of war. So many definitions are there. This first one is war is a scientific method of providing executive departments with a quantitative basis for decision regarding the operations under their control. Second one, war is a scientific method of providing executive with an analytic and objective basis for decisions. So third definition is war is the application of scientific methods, techniques and tools to problems involving the operation of the systems for getting optimum solution. Fourth one, war is the art of giving bad answers to problems to which otherwise worse answers are given. Fifth one, war is the attack of modern methods on complex problems arising in the direction and management to large systems of man, machines, materials, and money in industry, business, and defense. Sixth one, war is the art of winning without actually fighting it. War is a scientific approach to problem solving for executive management. Eighth definition is war is the application of scientific methods to problems arising from operation involving integrated system of man, machines, and materials. War is the application of scientific methods by interdisciplinary teams to problems involving the controls of organized man machine systems so as to provide solutions which best serve the purpose of the organization as a whole. War is an applied decision theory. So these are 10 definitions. Of course, war subject belongs to the branches, so many branches, mechanical branch. Here machines are there in mechanical branch, machines, transportation, assignment. Similarly in CSE, computers, computer organization, in IT also computer organization, MCA, MBA, in this business management, business purpose, we use so many problems, different problems in different branches. That's why observe these definitions carefully, note down. Here are some comments on definitions of war. First comment is, operation research is not a science like any well-defined physical, biological, social phenomena. So in physics, some practicals are there. We have to prove practically some results. In biological, biologists also, practical way they can prove some results. So chemists, biologists know about their subject. Operation research do not know about operations. Operation research means not operations. War is not a scientific research into the control of operations. This is not a scientific research of operations. That is the main thing. It is a collection of mathematical techniques and tools. Second comment is, operation research is interdisciplinary in nature with applications not only in military and business but also in medicine, engineering, physics. So interdisciplinary approach is an important characteristic of war, which is not included in most of its definitions, but some definitions are there. In those definitions, in one definition, interdisciplinary word is used. So many definitions are there without interdisciplinary concept. So that is the comment on definition of war. Note down.